Hello everyone, big update for students and freshers. Wipro has started hiring for the role of AI Native Intern. This job location includes Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Noida. This is a great opportunity for students who are interested in artificial intelligence, Python, web development, software development, and new technologies trends. In this internship, candidates will work with global teams, learn real world business solutions, and gain practical industry experience. The company is also focusing on team collaboration, leadership skills, communications, problem solving abilities. So, if you are preparing for placements or internships, don't miss this opportunity. Apply as early as possible because position may close anytime. If you want more updates about internships, placements, interview preparation, and freshers jobs, then like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you are going to apply for this internship. All the best, everyone. Thank you so much.